everybody, welcome back to Subi's Kitchen. Today I am in the throes of making fresh tomato sauce with Grammy, my mother, in my kitchen. We have these amazing tomatoes. Look at this. Look at these tomatoes from Emily's garden, my brother's wife's garden. So beautiful.
Gorgeous.
Oh my gosh, they taste amazing. So we've already made some batches. We're getting ready to freeze these, and we're gonna use them later. So we're just setting everything up, and we started to make a few batches, but we're gonna do more. So here I just have in my Vitamix, which is the best money ever spent. I have it filled up almost to the top with tomatoes, putting in some basil from Grammy's garden, some Parmegiano Reggiano, a little bit more, and some garlic. I always buy my garlic peeled already because I use it more freely rather than having to peel it. I'm putting like 5 or 6 decent sized cloves, pepper, with my best new toy. This is my husband's favorite thing. Pepper grinds. Got on Amazon. Grammy wants one for Christmas. And also salt comes in one too. Extra virgin olive oil, organic extra virgin olive oil. Just a smidge. And salt. I did not put the salt. Where'd you put the salt, Mother? Oh, here. All right, I'm gonna use this because the actual other shaker comes out a little slower than this. All right, a little bit. Now I'm gonna put the top on, and the Vitamix is so powerful. It's great. And I'm gonna take this off. And then I have this little tamper to help push stuff down. So I'm just gonna start it slow. Now once it got going, now I'm gonna put this back in so it doesn't splash everywhere. And it goes really high. I'm gonna turn this on. You just do it till you can't hear anything.
And Emily gave us an entire box full.
Yeah, amazing.
Box full of tomatoes, which are coming forth in her garden so plentifully, and they're so juicy.
All right,
and
Mom,
beautiful.
try this. Make sure it's good. Oh my gosh, so good. And that's it. And so now we are pouring them into bags. We have all those tomatoes still to go.
It's a freezer, Ziploc freezer bag.
So we're gonna do some more. And that's it. Oh yeah, let's get it all in there.
Okay.
All right, like this video, share me with your friends, and subscribe. Then you'll see when I do a new video next time on Subi's Kitchen.
Bye.